Hey, what's up guys, this is Ken over at GROM Audio, and today I have a early accurate Honda radio on the test bench, and I'm going to show you guys how do we get the USB 3 initiated for this radio. For the BT3 it'll be similar as well. So right now I'm just going to turn on my radio. This is going to be my ignition switch, so I'm going to turn it on. Okay. Turn on the radio. So it's asking for the code. I just connected this, powered on this radio. I just connected it. So I'm going to enter the code. So this is equivalent to, say, if you had to replace the battery in your vehicle. Basically you have to re-enter the code because the radio lost power. Okay, so now we're in the FM radio. And then, oh, I don't have my speakers connected, but so if I press CD aux button here, as you can see, there's nothing. I don't have anything connected. This is my cable. I have nothing here. So I will connect my USB 3. I can power off, power back on. As you can see, there's nothing. Then I'm going to turn off the ignition. Just wait a few seconds, and then I'll turn on the ignition again. Okay, and then there it is. It's in the CD changer mode because it's in CDC, and it's telling me this one, track 80. Track 80 is the version of the firmware. And then here's my USB flash drive with some music in it. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. And there it is, it's starting to play. So disc 2 means that it's on folder 2, it's playing track 2. And then I can get to the next folder by hitting disc up or disc down. And then of course I have the forward to the next track or previous track. So that's it guys, that's how you connect a USB 3 to a accurate Honda radio, and then also initiating a power cycle to get the radio to recognize your USB 3. And again, with the BT3 it's similar.